Hello guys. So today we are going to solve the second problem in the operation research problem series. So the problem goes as follows. Consider forming a maximum area rectangle out of a piece of wire of length L inches. What should be the best width and height of the rectangle? Okay. Now we are given a wire of length L and we need to form a rectangle with the best possible combination of height and width so that we get the maximum area among all the other possible combination. So in this problem we are given a maximization problem and we need to maximize the end result. So the number of alternatives in the present case are infinite. Height and width can assume infinite number of possible solutions because they are continuous variables. Now this thing we have to know that what are continuous variables. Continuous variables are numerical variables which can have any possible combination of numbers or digits, and they assume an infinite number of possible solutions, an infinite number of combinations. So in this problem, W is the width of the rectangle in inches and H is denoted as the height of the rectangle in inches. Now what are the restrictions in the present case? Now width of the rectangle plus height of the rectangle is equal to half of the length of the wire. Now if this we assume in algebraical form, this statement is given. So W plus H, which is the width plus height of the rectangle in inches, is equal to L by 2. Okay. So this we are given in the restrictions form. Okay, width of the rectangle plus height of the rectangle is equal to half of the length of the wire. Now width and height cannot be negative. So width and height can never be negative because we don't take this into condition in the forming of a rectangle. So W comma H is greater than equal to 0. Okay. Now what is the objective function? We need to maximize. What is the objective function? Maximize area of the rectangle Z is equal to WH. So W into H, width into height is the area of the rectangle, and we need to maximize that area of the rectangle subject to the above restrictions, either restrictions we have given earlier. Now using substitution, we say that 2W plus H is equal to L. Now 2W plus 2H is equal to L and H is equal to L minus 2W by 2. So we are taking H in the terms of L and W. Okay. Now we compute the area. I will replace H with this expression in the area. So W into L minus 2W by 2. So half into WL minus 2W squared. Now using the differential calculus rules, we actually differentiate the area with respect to W. Okay, we differentiate WH with respect to W, and after differentiating we get that half L minus 4W. So if we solve this further, we get W is equal to L by 4. Okay, so H is equal to L minus 2 into L by 4 by 2. So we replace this value in this expression. So W we replace it with this expression. Okay, and we get H is equal to L minus 2 into L by 4 by 2 is equal to L minus L by 2 by 2 is equal to L by 4. So we get W is equal to H is equal to L by 4. So both are L by 4. So this is the form that maximizes the whole area among all other possible combinations. So this is the second problem. In the next videos, we'll be discussing about various other applications and problems of operation research. Thank you.